मेरा इस मिट्टी में चाह मेरा इस मिट्टी में चाह मेरा इस मिट्टी में मेरा इस मिट्टी में अपने को घेरो घेरो को अपना लाया डोली से रखता है हमको तू गोली से
अरे गद्दार तो हम नहीं, गद्दार तो तुम लोग हो। झूठा वादा देकर हमारा वोट लेते हो, बदले में हमारी जान लेके खेल जाते हो।
मेरा तो बीपी हाई नारा लगाता हूँ हाय तेरा नहीं सह सकता जानी हाजिर है अब तो भाई उक्लोक berseruan suri berseruan ai tom sinai kirilah ciwi shanu berseruan tom sinai wan so di bekas siring sorok tong lia Tipa amani bagi kui mukriman lia Sothai mana salung miling Yam rai soi vaele marong hi Telo koi mani thoi pyar Natak lo sa thoi Lung khang lung thoi Thiên thanh kinh trên lê Lê saya Go back, go back, go back Go back, go back, go back Pakistani 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 go back, go back, go back Go back, go back
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn
soyake di prasani Mothani buzanai o joba kontrun jobaya o joba ohani kusaro hisu o joba kosaniya o joba tikasaruni baguse zinza fatasi kai tambo orang kare pisana nang di tonggo Chini Chini nutu manai kando Inang Chini komo manai tonggo Nubela Chini nukuna Nubela kita shani nukna Odungal no juga syurake Mana jatini buska Kujak dikiram Ukun kosong हमने क्या गलती किया क्या हमें इंसाफ मिलेगा ऐसे ना कुछ कर डालो कि नाम निशा मेरा मिट जाए बाय बाय खाना पीना की जगह बस चुनाई न बिया के ना कोई जगह मैंने कोशिश की अब मेरी जगह मैंने कोशिश की अब मेरी जगह
With the entire political party, students organizations, civil society organizations and NGOs has called this independent war all over Tripura. And the reaction is that we don't want this bill to be passed and we don't want this cap to be placed in the Rajya Sabha. Therefore, we request and we urge the government of India to withdraw and cancel this bill. Because if the bill is passed, then how the Indian government is going to tackle the illegal influx migration? Because by today we already noticed that in Tripura the indigenous people have become, officially of course it is 31, but unofficially we could see we are less than 20%. So therefore, in order to give justice and protection of the indigenous people and to protect the socio, cultural, economic and political right, the government of India should consider and withdraw this bill. Therefore, in every corner of Tripura and in every district of Tripura, the picketers are there peacefully protesting, asking the government of India to withdraw. And we are also urging the state government to send this message to the central government and feel the pain of the indigenous people, and as the state government is the owner and the parent of the state government through the Honorable Chief Minister should send a message to the central government that the people of Tripura doesn't want cap to be passed. Because we have seen how the demography have changed, and the Chief Minister himself was present when we have talked with the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah, that we have addressed the same issue and the same concerns, that we have become microscopy. Therefore, in order to protect the identity and the culture and the political right and economics of the indigenous people, the bill should not be passed. And if this bill passed, then there will be no protection and the indigenous people will be more marginalized and their identity will be lost. Therefore, the reaction is nothing but we are protesting against the right that the Constitution has enshrined us. The right to assemble and freedom and expression is we are exercising. So when we exercise this, I think the government of India and the state government should respect the right of the people and take this, the voice of the indigenous people to consider and withdraw the citizenship amendment.
Mention of the rule of police.
The rule of police are of course also respected, and we are happy with the kind of cooperation with the police that they are accepting with us. But nevertheless, we have seen when our people were trying to protest in the road, the two buses were detained. So most of the leaders and the students and the women were detained and they were taken to the police station.
How many organizations joined in your movement?
This is the entire organizations of the Tripura, including all the regional political parties and the students organization, as I have mentioned. There is no organization left, there is no individual left, but we all collectively stand together for opposing this citizenship amendment bill.
Kita amani bagi kui primania Zothai mang na salun Yang rai solvai ngaram hi Kuluk na